Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Got a couple different views of the Palma here for you guys. This here is a live stream from day 31 at just before 1 a.m. That's a lava field of molten rock everywhere. It's insane. And then we've got this one here. Nice. The sound is actually coming from the other live stream that I've got going on right now. This is coming from a live feed too. I'll include both these links, actually all three of them, because I got some drone footage to show too. Alright. I think we're done with that one. We'll move over here to this one. It looks like they just had a 3.4 earthquake there at 13 kilometers down 23 minutes ago. There's clearly a highway next to where they're filming here. Oh wow, that is insane. My prayers go out to everybody who's lost everything that they've owned, and those that are still going to be losing things, because clearly this is not over. Wow, that is absolutely insane. That fireball's coming out of there. Alright, we'll end it right here on this one, and we'll check out that drone footage we've got here. This is absolutely insane. It looks like there's 3 chambers there, but only 2 of them are blowing. Clearly something coming up out of the ground back there, steam-wise. Man, that is insane. When's this thing gonna stop? Is it gonna stop? Alright, we'll leave it there. Thank you guys. And stay tuned because I'm working on something. We keep hearing about all these FDA approved and safe and effective. Well, we're going to go over a list of approved and safety effective that have all been recalled over the years. You guys stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.